Protaspididae. Protaspididae is an extinct family of pteraspidid heterostracan agnathans. Fossils of the various genera are found in early Devonian-aged marine strata. Protaspidids were once thought to represent a transitional form between the Pteraspididae and the Psammosteida, bearing the broad head shield shape of the latter due to a more benthic bottom-dwelling existence, but recent phylogenical comparisons demonstrate that the Protaspidids are actually highly derived pteraspidids, and that the anchipteraspidids, the most primitive genera. Many genera are found in lower Devonian marine deposits of the United States, especially of Utah and Wyoming. Others are found in lower Devonian marine strata of Europe, especially of Svalbard, Norway, and Podolia, Ukraine. Protaspies. This genus is known from several species from the early Devonian-aged beartooth, but formation strata of Wyoming and Utah. Europrotaspies, Cosmas Bees, Lampraspies, Gigantaspies, Eucyclaspies, and Pteraspidids have been formerly placed within Protaspies as subgenera, or otherwise have been treated as species therein. Europrotaspies. Species of this genus are very similar to those of Protaspies, but are found in early Devonian-aged strata of Western Europe and Podolia, Ukraine. Eucyclaspies. Species of Eucyclaspies are found in marine strata of the Water Canyon Formation in lower Devonian Utah. This genus differs from Protaspies by having unique processes emanating behind the eye on the orbital plate. Cosmas Bees. Cosmas Bees is restricted to marine environments of early Devonian Wyoming, and possibly of Utah as well, where it coexisted with species of Protaspies, Lampraspies, Eucyclaspies, Raspies, and Pteraspidids. Lampraspies. Lampraspies is known from early Devonian-aged marine environments of Utah and Wyoming. It is closely related to Raspies and Psaphaspies, and the three genera were, at one time, placed together in a subfamily Raspididae. Pteraspidids. Species of Pteraspidids, originally Pteraspies, are very similar to those of Protaspies. Fossils of Pteraspidids are found in early Devonian-aged marine strata of Beartooth Butte, Wyoming. Raspies. Raspies differs from Protaspies in ornamentation, and that the postbranchial plate, the plate posterior to the exhalent opening of the animal's gills, forms a tiny, wing-like process. Species of Raspies are found in early Devonian marine strata of Water Canyon, Utah, and Beartooth Butte of Wyoming. At one time, this genus, together with Lampraspies and Psaphaspies, was placed within its own subfamily Raspididae. Psaphaspies. Species of Psaphaspies, which are restricted to Idaho and Utah, have broad, flat, rounded, and heart-shaped dorsal shields and ornamentation similar to those of Psammosteids. Because of these two traits, species of this genus were originally described as being North American Psammosteids closely related to Drepanaspies by Orvig. Dennison then redescribed them as being pteraspidids closely related to Protaspies, noting that the overall anatomy is that of a typical pteraspidid. Dennison also notes that Psaphaspies is the youngest genus of pteraspidid, as specimens of P. idahoensis are found in middle Devonian-aged strata of Lemhi County, Idaho, which are younger than the latest strata. Other pteraspidids are found in Rhodnaspies. This genus was established by Blyke in 1984 when he elevated Protaspies brevispina into a separate genus, noting its cornual processes are distinct from Protaspies. Tuberculaspies. Tuberculaspies is known from early Devonian marine strata of Nevada, where it coexisted sympatrically with the Protopteraspidid Lamiaspies and fellow Protaspid Pyromaspies in a shallow water marine environment. It is named for tubercule-like growths that decorate the borders of its dorsal shield. Xylaspies. This Spitzbergen protospid was originally named Spitzbergaspies, but that name was discovered to be preoccupied by an Ordovician trilobite. It is similar in form and related to Zasanaspies and Woodfjordaspies. Pssammosteida. Species of Pssammosteida are found in early Devonian marine strata of Spitsbergen and are similar in form to Raspies, Protaspidids, and Gigantaspies, the former two genera being closely related. Protaspidids is known from an incomplete, partially articulated armor found in early Devonian-aged marine strata of Spitsbergen. It is similar in form and is closely related to Psammosteida and Raspies. Pteraspidids. This protospid is from the Semi-Dolomite fauna of late Eocene-aged marine strata in Nevada, where it coexisted sympatrically with tuberculaspids and the Protopteraspidid Raspies.